What is going on, YouTube watchers? Thanks for coming back around for another video. Today we are exploring Turtle Beach's newest headphones called the Battle Buds. Kind of a stupid name. That's a pretty dumbass name if you ask me. Alright, it says they're made specifically for the Switch, which that doesn't really make sense to me because the Switch doesn't have in-game voice chat. You have to use a freaking app to chat online. So why they made specific headphones for the Switch is questionable. So we're taking a look at them. And I know this video is a little late on the thing, but I didn't even know they were out. I just saw someone else put out a video, so I was like, hey, I want to see those too. Just some of the details. You have a multifunction inline controller, so you have a volume slider and a microphone mute switch right there. It's lightweight and comfortable, which I hope so, because there's a big ass microphone hanging off of an earbud. Definitely unique. I've never seen a pair of earbuds like this. And crystal clear chat. And removable hide sensitivity mic. Okay, cool. That microphone detaches so you can use them as regular headphones. Oh yeah, here it is already right here detached. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, that's cool. Ha! And then it's only got one band right there, because it's only got to receive audio. Huh, that's awesome. This is cool. This is really cool. Not the pouch, of course. The headphones. Let me move this guy out of the way so y'all can see what's going on here. Damn, that's a big old Switch controller thing. Not using the wrong wording here. Damn! You see that? You see how big those are? Holy shit. That is a massive headphone. I hope it's I hope it sounds good. I'm about to test them out with music and with on the Switch. Gonna play a game on the Switch. And check that out. God damn, that's the biggest one I've seen in a while. But it does have a volume slider, so that's really nice. You can use it. It's got a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use them with your Xbox controller and your PlayStation, of course. So the volume slider is really nice, so you don't have to open up that controller or accessory menu to turn down volume to the headphones. And it has a microphone mute right there, which is nice. I don't know if that mutes just the microphone built into these already, or the headset microphone. But we will see in just a second. It would be nice if they made the input on both headphones so you could switch which side you wanted to have the microphone on. Oh wait, I guess it doesn't matter. You can just put it in your other ear. Or maybe it does matter. Whatever is your preference. Let's get that in there. These fins suck. Those little blue rubber fins, they don't stick to anything. Oh, never mind. Okay, I just had to get it in there. Alright, I'm feeling it. Alright, they're comfy. Huh, I wonder how call audio would be with these. Oh, there's a little plastic seal. Whatever. Take it off in a second. Okay, Got these puppies all nice and in my ears. They're comfy. Fits through my Switch case. Very nice. I don't have to take the casing off or shell off. Ooh, wow, that was loud. Alright, got this volume up all the way. Volume on the Switch is at 75%. We're gonna try out Paladins. Oh, I got this thing. And it feels just like any other headset microphone. It's flexible. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah. Ooh, well, I guess if you really tug on it, it comes out, but it won't just fall out, and it's not heavy. Not that heavy. It's like a balanced weight. I don't even know what I'm flexing it for. It's not like I can talk right here, but yeah, it sounds really good. Let's see if it has any surround sound. Because if it has surround sound, then I'm gonna recommend them to you. $30 for in-ear headphones with surround sound. I don't really know how that would work, considering the driver and everything is just straightforward. So I don't see how it would, you know, manipulate the sound. But hey, Turtle Beach has been in the game for years, so maybe. Fuck, I haven't played this in a while. Oh no! Oh my god, what am I doing? That's not how you play this game. That suck ass. I suck ass. Oh, buddy. Oh boy, I haven't played that in a while. I sucked. So yeah, these things have really good stereo optics, if that's a word. I think that's a word. Whatever, I'm using it. These things sound really good. When you move around in the game, it goes from the left to the right ear very, very nicely. Just as I thought they would. I mean, it's Turtle Beach. Come on, look at this giant controller. It's got to do something. Oh wow, alright, so it immediately disconnect. Here, I'll put the screen up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Tap on that, yep, it's taking the microphone audio from there. So yeah, you can use these on the go as regular headphones if you don't want to carry this. I mean, if you're afraid of breaking this or whatever the case. I mean, it does come with a little pouch so you can wrap them up and then put this in. So yeah, there's that. The one time a pouch is actually, you know, necessary. And then I'll plug them back in. And we have this guy plugged back in. It's just straight plug and play. As soon as you plug it in, it's just working. See how much better the audio is now? It's just spiking really, really high. See? Barely doing anything now. Alright, so the microphone is effective. I said I was going to call, but now you know it's not. Calling wouldn't really test it. This is way better to show you guys that it's taking the audio straight from this microphone, and then as soon as you unplug it, it takes the audio straight from this microphone. So, yeah, there you have it. I mean, they're the first of their kind, that's for sure. Definitely for sure on that subject. Are they more comfy than over-ear headphones? That's your decision. But again, these are $30, and some over-ear headphones with an extended microphone that sound as good as these can cost up to $50. Well, I know Turtle Beach has been lowering their prices for a long time now. Gaming headsets aren't that expensive. But they do come in blue and white, and it's pretty. And they're Turtle Beats, so of course they sound good. And you have great customer service with Turtle Beats. If these things do happen to break, I'm sure they come with a warranty. I know I didn't go through the quick start guide because they're headphones. I know how to use headphones. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully I kept it short. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And, well, also, if you have a pet, leave a thumbs up on this video or subscribe. I mean, it would be better if you subscribe. Please subscribe to this video, subscribe to this video, subscribe to this video, and smash that like button. And remember, guys, always... stay positive. Bye. Make sure to hit those buttons and share this video.
Can't we just share a laugh?